Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll learn about how to remove green screen in Kinemaster application. I have already uploaded a tutorial on Camtasia Studio, but it was for computer. In this way, you can remove green screen in Android phone. So let's get started. First, take a new project. Select here a ratio, as I prefer to choose the first one. Now take a background. I'm going to choose first one black background. Now import your photos or videos. Go to layer and add your green screen video. Adjust them in layer. Make it full screen. Now select your green screen video layer and go to chroma key. Enable this option. As you can see, background removed successfully, but it's not proper. So adjust these settings to get perfection in remover color. Okay, our project is ready. Now tap on here to save your project. Just select a resolution as you want, then tap on export. Your video will start to render. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.